เริ่มแล้วนะ Hi everyone. Let me explain or give answer for our member that asked about market today. For FBMKL, right? This morning we already set up our watch and range at 1,760. Okay, one more round. 1,760. That means this morning price shoot up. In this, right, in the long white candlestick, right, if you don't have experience, maybe you don't know what happened, but for art member, right, we already know this long white is supposed to become head of gangster at first floor. This rebound, right, cannot hit first criteria. That means it's difficult to move up. That's why after that, someone tried to sell here. Okay. Now, after lunch finish, price try to rebound, but also cannot watch and reach this benchmark at 1,760. That means this rebound is not significant. And before market close, we already saw a strong reversal down here. That means it's quite difficult for market to move up. That means if you want to buy for speculate, okay, I mentioned about only buy for speculate. You must confirm with buyer first. If buyer strong enough, that means it's good time for you to follow buy. If buyer is not strong enough, if you buy, right, maybe have chance to lose money. In this case, in this correlation, right, I just want you to consider some pattern. Maybe I may help you to understand some concept of technical analysis. Some people, right, when they apply technical analysis, they always lose a lot of money. Do you know why a lot of people lose money? Because sometimes, right, they try and learn this pattern. You see, right? This pattern is look like harami, correct or not? Harami is the one of reversal pattern that you can read or find in any textbook. But if you try to apply this harami and buy this day, next day, you already lose money again. And if you don't know, this is a harami again. Maybe tomorrow, if you buy, you're looking for buy. Maybe you think if price move up higher than close, maybe it's good time for you to buy. But in this case, right, it show harami. Maybe you have chance to lose again because under this candlestick pattern, right, you must have a price movement or small time frame support. For example, if we point this, right, this is 24th of May. After that, 25th got short white candlestick. It look like harami. But if you look back for the price movement, if you saw 20 okay 24 on 24, right, market already show longest black candlestick that we call Heads of Gangster. After that, try to wash and rinse and move up. Because this time, right, they cannot wash and rinse. This time they cannot wash and rinse. That means price cannot move up. But when you monitor price, when you monitor big time frame between 24th and 25th, it already show Harami. But this Harami it failed. Why it failed? Because small time frame not agree. And if you saw right, this big time frame also not agree. That's why when you try to apply Harami, that's why you lost money. In this case, market is trying to show Harami again. But if you switch from big time frame, I mean day chart to 15 minutes, right? You already saw this candlestick that draw from here to here. It represents a black candlestick like this. Okay. And this candlestick that open here and close here, it present a white candlestick like this. Open here and close here. Okay. After that, I help you to draw the line in black color. Okay, and this I help you to draw the line to black. Okay, now when you try to matching between this move down as a long black in day chart, and if you try to matching this movement like a white candlestick that have a shadow, maybe I put shadow from here to here. Sorry about color because it's like default. Okay, but I help you to change color. Okay, and change this color. Okay, you saw right, this is represent long black, and this for this day, and this represent white candlestick that have tail at the top and at the bottom. That means this is look like Harami, but this Harami, right, psychology cannot wash and rinse. That means cannot move up because mechanism is not so good. And this show strong reversal down. That means it still cannot move up. It's right a negative for move up. We're not sure when we apply small time frame, but this signal may ignore if tomorrow price move up here, okay, and hit wash and rinse. That means if you came back to a big time frame, if you learn some technical analysis from textbook, right? Textbook already mentioned Harami may confirm if next day market is like open like a continuation. Continuation, that means price move from here to here, move up. If that move up, right, price open here and close here or close here is still not confirmed yet. Do you know why? Because in small time frame, wash and rinse is at 1760. That means if you apply only a candlestick and you think if price open here, open continuation from here to here, open here is not mean price have chance to move up. Price should drag up at least here to wash and rinse. Okay, because in ARTT, when we look for the Harami, right, we got wash and rinse here. Okay, this is a correlation between classic technical analysis, classic pattern that sometimes you may fail to buy because both of these harami from here to here, and both harami from here to here it failed because inside psychology for small time frame they cannot wash and rinse. That's why, right, in ARTT we focus on wash and rinse, write a trigger or strength meter for buyer or seller to wash and rinse in a majority trend. This is very important. Okay, come back to FCPO. FCPO, right? This morning we mentioned that if price move up, we change this to this. Okay, and we change this to this. After that, if market cannot hit down is mean we measure Fibonacci. And in this case, right, T1 more than T2. T1 more than T2, that means target is at here, this point. Okay. That means if price move down and retrace this point, that means it's negative for move up. But now price retrace here and show heads of gangster at first floor. That's why price move up. Okay. When price move up, right, they cannot break above this. In this case, right, you must adjust your plan again. Okay. Because your plan already changed. Now, right, because of price cannot move down because they don't have any reversal pattern here. Now we change our scenario and we must measure by Fibonacci again. We click here and measure here. And we click here and measure here. Now T1 still more than T2. That means we still refer to this point, same point. That means tomorrow if price moves down and cannot hit this criteria, that means cannot move touch at 2382. That means price is not confirmed yet for move down. That means if price retrace and cannot touch here, that means price still have chance to move up. That means for tomorrow, if price retrace, you must consider if price have moved down and they have reversal pattern, in case strong reversal pattern up before touch here, that means it's good time for buyer to buy back. But you must understand, you must know how to identify reversal pattern in ARTT. Okay, and this is just my scenario for FCPO. Come back to Thai index. Thai index, right? This is our scenario. Now, right, Thai index is not show strong reversal up because if they show strong reversal up, that means bullish candlestick must move market higher than 1747. That means we still have tomorrow and Monday. That means we still have chance, market still have chance to show off strong reversal up if price show strong reversal up on Monday, before Monday, or in earlier Monday. Okay, and this is fbmkl, FCPO, and Thai index. And we have question about crude oil. Crude oil, right, is very simple. You click, okay. Click and move. Okay. Now in ARTT, we still believe that crude oil still have chance to retrace lower than 64. Okay, crude oil still have chance to retrace lower than 64. But if they have a significant reversal before they touch here, we will notice you. Okay, and this is Dow Jones index. Dow Jones index, right? If market in this side, if market maintain power up in this loop, this is first loop, this is second loop, that means still positive for move up. That means this is still positive for buyer. And if we looking for this high compare with this high, and this low compare with this low, is still uptrend. Okay. And for gold price, now gold already move up and rebound and wash and rinse here at 1,304.6. That means you just apply ARTT, okay, to entry, and don't forget to put stop loss. Okay, today is I think it's good enough for me to share the idea about FBMKL, FCPO, or Thai index, include crude oil, Dow Jones index, and gold future. Okay, thank you very much. See you tomorrow before market open. Thank you. Good night.